Hey everyone, welcome to Age and Education channel. I'm pleased to introduce an exciting new platform aimed at supporting students from grade 2 to grade 10 in their academic journey. Our mission is to help them better grasp core concepts, excel in their studies, and confidently prepare for competitive exams such as Olympiad, IIT and UPSC. What sets us apart is that, unlike other expensive platforms, all our resources are entirely free. The objective here is to build a strong academic foundation from an early age, preventing the stress and pressure that often comes in higher grades. Through our platform, we provide engaging and enriching content across key subjects like science, social studies, and mathematics, all carefully tailored for optimal learning. Our content is structured to suit the comprehension level and attention span of each grade group, ensuring effective and focused learning. We will be regularly updating the platform with new resources to keep the learning journey dynamic and engaging. Initially, we will upload new content twice or thrice a week with plans to increase the frequency over time. To ensure steady progress without overwhelming students, we recommend engaging with one or two resources per day. Your encouragement and active involvement will be crucial to your child's success, and we are confident that this initiative will inspire them to embrace learning with enthusiasm. Together, let's make an enriching and stress-free experience for our children, guiding them towards becoming the leaders of tomorrow. We look forward to seeing your children in our classes and are excited to be part of their educational journey. Thank you.